Hi, welcome to Common Sense Philosophy. How do you make a million before you are 30? We already discussed if it was okay to be young and rich. And yes, it is. We already discussed what to do in financially troubled times. And now, how exactly do you earn a million before you are 30? And if you're already 30, or you already achieved that, how can you earn a million in a shorter duration of time? And if that's a far-fetched goal, how you can earn a million in 3 years or less? Will you not like that? Welcome back. Don't be fooled by what is going on in the world. Some people are making millions, some daily, some monthly. Industries like the online space is currently booming, education is booming, and a lot of other industries. If you are not currently earning in millions, or you are not earning as much as you can, this is the perfect time to plan and strategize how you can become one of the top earners that earn in millions month after month. But first, I do have a question for you. What you want, is it to earn in millions or to be a millionaire? You may say, what's the difference? He who earns millions makes gross income of millions. Gross income, meaning all the money that comes into his account before the expenses are removed. If you are a millionaire, that means after all expenses paid, you still have millions left to do as you please. Great. To earn a million is easy if you know how to. If you're employed, the easiest way for you to earn in millions is to become more valuable at your job. I assume that your main income stream is from your work. If you become more valuable at your work, maybe by getting a higher certification or by getting acquired skills that will help you improve your job qualities, skills that will help you better fill managerial positions, skills that will help you better lead in your company. The company will reward you by giving you pay raises, bonuses, and more compensations. So, if you're employed, start now by analyzing what your company wants and what your company lacks. How can I better improve the positioning of this company, or how can I better increase the income of this company? If you do any of these two or both, your income, your salary will grossly increase. A lot of companies offer yearly bonuses. Yearly bonuses based on the company's performance. Speak with your HR, speak with your company representative, ask around if there is a bonus up for grabs. This will easily put you into the people that earn in millions. Will you not like that? I do hope you are getting tremendous value from this information so far. Oh, great. If you're a businessman or woman, or you run your own team, the easiest way for you to start earning in millions is to increase the quantity and quality of the products and services that you currently offer to your customers. And if you can, to find better ways and more ways of serving the customers you currently have. Again, may not be something you can do right now, but if you take the advice of Earl Nightingale, who said, for you to do your business in a better way than you currently do, take a fresh look at your business like a stranger would, and list what you can do much better. Or better still, ask your customers. Earning in millions is easy if you know how to. To earn in millions, All you need to do is increase your income, increase your revenue. How do you increase your revenue? Increase your current income sources or add more income sources. Thank you for watching. I do hope you got tremendous value from the information provided here. How can we better help you to earn in millions? Drop a comment below so that we can make better content tailored just for you. As always, we at Common Sense Philosophy are here to help you shatter those obstacles to your greatness, as we believe there are no obstacles whatsoever to the income you can make, to the person you can be, or the obstacles you set for yourself. Let's help you by shattering those obstacles so that you can be the winner you were born to be. I'm Akim TBC, your host of Common Sense Philosophy. Until next week Wednesday, bye-bye.